I said I wasn't gonna do it. I said I wasn't gonna do it, but here I am. I thought the deals were gonna be mid. I was like, I don't need to share anything. These deals are so good. I think someone over at headquarters made a typo, and we're going to take advantage of that. I'm sharing the best Amazon home deals of 2023, and you wanna pounce on these deals because they are going to be gone like that. Let's get started. I wanna start with this acrylic cutting board. This baby is massive, and it blends right into your countertop. So if you're cooking and chopping all day long, if you're chefing it up, if your name is Ratatouille's not right. His name is Remy. I'm so ignorant. But anyway, you need this. It's fantastic. Now, if you don't need it for the kitchen, you might need this for your craft projects. I love to craft, I love to paint, and I am known to ruin a table or two or ruin a drop cloth or two. And also, where does one store drop cloths if you live in like an apartment or a condo? So I love to use this. I do all my arts and crafts on there. It keeps everything nice and well contained, and then you can craft on your normal tables. Like I will paint a whole painting. I will become Picasso on my coffee table. I love that I'm able to do that with this acrylic cutting board. So you want to pick this up. It is on incredible deal. Next, we have to talk about this cookware set. So I love the brand Carote. Their stuff is so lightweight. Like, you know, when you have to like channel the power of like King Arthur or like the Hulk or Thor or any other strong person on the planet just to like pour something from a pot into a bowl, yeah, can't do it. These are super lightweight. They're dishwasher safe. There's a 21-piece set option that is on deal. They also have the 11-piece set, which is what I have. Both different sets are really, really nice neutral colors, so will work for everyone. But what I especially love about the 11-piece set is it does have those removable handles, and it does come with those Tupperware lids, so you can put the whole pot in the fridge without the handle, so it's not taking up too much space, but you don't have to worry about using a Tupperware. Love that for us because that is such a pain in the butt. The little green machine also is a lifesaver if you like to shop at outlets, you like to thrift, or if you're just plain messy like I am. It will get the stains out of absolutely anything, carpets, any type of upholstery, your favorite hat. It does such a good job. All you have to do is get like the Bissell fluid. I also like to mix it with a little bit of Folex, and it gets the job done. If you're into smart tech, it is also time to pick up the Casa products. So first they have their smart plugs, which are so good. They work with your Alexa or like your Google voices. I don't know what it's called. I'm team Alexa. I'm team Alexa. But you can tell something to turn the lights on, turn the lights off. I love this because when you plug something in, you do all the cord management. You don't want to have to bend over and plug it in every single time. You could just say, hey, turn this on, or you can turn it on from your phone. The Casa Surge Protector is also on deal, so the entire thing is smart. It has both USB ports and then normal outlets. So freaking cool. I love that everything is smart. It just streamlines absolutely everything. My favorite mattress topper is also on deal. I sold it out honestly in every size except for 3, so I do apologize for that. But the second I bought this, the feather bed was dead to me. I said, don't look at me again. I freaking hate you. This is incredible. And I thought the feather bed was like the best thing since sliced bread. Do you remember that? Do you remember that? This is incredible. This is down alternative. It is a fraction of the price. It's the real deal. I sleep like a freaking baby. I could be livid. I could be like screaming, arguing. I touch this, I'm asleep. I'm asleep immediately. It is, I don't know what's in it. There's magic in it. It is the most comfortable thing I've ever slept on in my entire life. And I'm gonna say what I say for every single video. These deals change. So if it's not exactly what I say, I'm sorry, I don't control Amazon, but these are the deals that I see when I'm looking. But things change, and honestly, they tend to get a little bit better. So I love that for us. The tabletop fire pit is also on deal. If you want to roast marshmallows, you wanna roast weenies, if you want to really just have a little sense of ambiance, you gotta pick up a tabletop fire pit. They're trending all over the internet, and they're so easy to use. All you need is matches or a lighter and some ethanol, which you should be using anyway to clean your wounds and cuts and stuff like that, and you're good to go. Love it. They shut off obviously when the ethanol burns out, very easy. And I don't know, it's just a great way to like have a fireplace at home without actually having a fireplace, because I'm not buying a whole full fireplace. I'm gonna just use that and I'll just convince myself that it's a full fireplace. And so far that has worked very well. My 2 favorite duvets are actually on deal. I have to say this, I said duvet insert the other day and I was so disappointed in myself, I almost put myself in a timeout, because if you don't know, the duvet is like the blanket part and the duvet covers what you covered in. You don't have to call it a duvet insert. So when I said that, I was like, oh, someone should fire you, but you work for yourself. Anyway, the Royal Living Duvet is on deal. This has been one of my best-selling products here. I really love it because it is super duper plush. It is quilted, it has the corner tabs, it does everything you need it to do, and it does come in a few other colors in case you want to use it as a comforter. I don't support that, but I gotta give you the option. But if the royal living isn't for you, you want something oversized, you gotta pick up the Super King duvet. I love it. My sister-in-law even got it. She loves it. So many of you have gotten it. What's good about this is it's bigger than a standard king. So this really only matters like if you have a king, to be honest, because if you have a queen, you just buy a king one. But it gives you the oversized look so that you're not fighting for covers. And then if you put it in a standard size duvet cover, it gets extra plush. So it looks like one of those Pottery Barn beds without you having to double stuff it. So you don't get like the added heat, though you still get the look. My sister-in-law also bought like their duvet cover, their Super King duvet cover, and she said it's really good. I'm gonna buy it myself because I'll be honest, like I appreciate her review. I don't entirely trust it, so I'm gonna buy it myself and let you know. But you can use this in a standard duvet cover for now, but I'll keep you updated. I also just ordered a duvet that was, I think like $45, and so far I like it, but we'll get to that another time. Now I have this tray in like the Calicut purple marble, but that one's always out of stock and the deal isn't as good on that one, so forget that one. But this is a travertine tray right now. It's 25% off. Babe uses this for rings at the end of the night. You don't want to sleep in your jewelry, you take it off, you put it there. It's a cute little decorative accent, period. There's nothing else to say, but this makes for a great gift, and this is great in your entryway, on your nightstand, on your coffee table. You're just looking for some decor that doesn't take up too much vertical space, but is giving texture, it's giving color, it's giving everything you need to give. This tray is that for you. Now, if the travertine tray isn't for you and you want to jazz up your kitchen a little bit, you might like this one. So this is just like a cutting board, essentially, but it's made out of marble. It is food safe, you can just wipe it off. It's a great addition to your kitchen. It's kind of on the smaller side, so if you're looking for like one of those big trays, you're gonna be disappointed. But otherwise, I like this one. I have it in my kitchen, and whenever like my other cutting boards are not clean, I will use this one, and I love that it doubles as decor and something practical. Now, if you live in a rental, you gotta pick up this shower curtain rod. So obviously, if you don't live in a rental, you can use this as well, but this is a tension shower rod, and I love the gold finish on this. It looks very luxe. But the reason why I mentioned being in a rental, because you can use this to hang standard curtains. So if you have like an 8-foot room, this will work because it does open really wide. You can just use a tension rod to hang your curtains, normal curtains and shower curtains. I love this because you don't have to put up the command hooks, you don't have to drill into the wall, but you can get your curtains as high as you need them to be, and I really appreciate that. And this price is great, and it's way cheaper than it would be to buy like a whole curtain rod setup or the amount of command hooks that you ordinarily need. Next, we have the mattress vacuum. You guys know about this. It sucks all of that disgusting debris out of your bed that you didn't even know was there. It's 33% off right now. It is disgusting. Anytime I want to like feel bad about myself, I'll mattress vacuum my mattress, and I'm like, ew, Kiva, you are a disgusting human being, because there's so much gunk in there that you can't get out with a normal vacuum. I know, I've tried. This is incredible, and it makes for a perfect gift. I love pillow covers, but they can be really expensive. But one of my favorite brands on Amazon is Muley. I think they make really high quality velvet pillow covers. I would never spend honestly more than $20 on a velvet pillow cover, and with these, a lot of the times you get a set of 2 for that price. They have so many different colors. They're very nice and plush. They look just like the ones from Pottery Barn, in my opinion. Now, this candle is so expensive, but it's the best candle on the planet. It doesn't matter what you've done. You could have roasted broccoli. You could have had your dog, you know, make a mistake all over the floor. It does not matter. It will cover up any scent, and it smells like the sexiest man to grace the planet. It smells exactly what you think like The Rock and Jason Momoa all smell like. Now, you guys know my taste in men, but oh my God, it is absolutely incredible. I love it. It fills your home with like the sexiest, most sultry scent, and it does such a good job of it. I've had this candle, I've had 2 of them over the course of 1 year, and I still haven't burnt it all the way through, and I will burn candles all day long. I do not care about it looking lopsided. I do not care about that. I don't care. I will burn this baby to a crisp, and it still is kicking, and I love that for me. Now, this is pricey, and I'm doing a designer inspired Amazon products video soon, so be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that video. But these sconces look just like the Kelly Wearstler sconces, which are like $1,000 or like $1,200 a piece. You can get one of these for a little under $200 on Amazon. I just installed it in my home. They actually come with a slab of alabaster. They look so luxe. Someone did DM me on Instagram and told me they look like a maxi pad though, and I was like, you're not wrong. But this is a luxe maxi pad, okay? So I love this. I'm all about achieving the luxe look for less, and I was able to do that with these sconces, and they're on deal right now. So why not pick them up for an even better price? My favorite towel warmer is 15% off right now. If you don't know what a towel warmer is, it warms slippers and bathrobes and I guess headband. You can warm anything in there. It has 4 different time settings. So if you want to take a 60-minute bath, it will warm for 60 minutes. Please do not take a bath for that long. You're gonna dry out your skin. It's so good. It really just makes, when I'm having a bad day, I'm like, you know what, I could use a warm towel, and I truly passionately feel that way, and it does truly make me feel better. My favorite wash cotton duvet cover is also on deal. I am Pottery Barn's #1 fan when it comes to bedding. Like, are their duvet covers $350? Does it make me want to vomit every time I buy one? Yes, which is why I only own 2. but oh, it's so good. But this is a close runner-up. This is a close runner-up. This is a wash cotton duvet. It has the linen look without as many wrinkles, and it has a zip closure. So one thing about me, I cannot do a button. Like the fact that I buttoned this shirt today is a true miracle. It's a Christmas miracle because of my arthritis. So the zip is like a breath of fresh air to me. Now, jersey sheets are not for everyone, but I really do love them because as I've said before, it feels like you're sleeping on underwear. Like good Calvin Klein underwear. Calvin Klein makes the best underwear. All these people are advertising for it. There must be something good. If they have these billboards of these half naked people in the middle of the airport, it must be good, because how dare you affront me with that at 3 a.m. when I'm trying to get on my flight, right? It must be that good. So these jersey sheets feel just like the Calvin Klein sheets. I know because I've bought them both and I've tried them both and I love them. They come in so many different colors. I have the white and the black, and they get the job done. These Goose down pillows are also on sale. You get a set of 2 for the price. These are great if you like down. It is like a medium down, right? So if you like the really soft pillow that you can like hug and will serve as your partner, this is not it. But if you also like one of those really hard ones, who has hard down? That's what I wanna know. So this is right in the middle. Goldilocks would love this one. I adore it. If you're not a down lover though, super fair. The Beckham pillows are also on deal. I bought a new set. You guys said there was a manufacturing issue. I bought a new pair. And I think they fixed it because they feel great. They feel the same to me. And I'm sitting there like, how does it feel? How does it feel? What do I think? I'm obsessed. I think they fixed the issue. So you can go back to buying these. They make for a great gift. They make for great sleep. I'm picky, obviously. I just told you I have like 5 million sleep issues, and these really help with that. The Suterra Bath Mat is also on deal so that you're not slipping and sliding all over the bathroom floor, because that is never, ever, ever the goal in the bathroom. It blends in if you have great floors. There are also so many different colors. I love this. I have one in my guest room and my primary bathroom. Obsessed because I hate the smell of like a moldy bath mat. Ew, get that away from me. I'd rather fall. The frame TV is also on deal. The frame TV is the best thing I've ever been wrong about. I was like, nobody needs that. That's stupid. Just like, it's fine. Put a screensaver on a normal TV. It was not indeed fine. I love it. Best invention ever. I love putting art up there. People always think it's a piece of art, and I'm like, ha, I played you. It's a television. And you know what? I'm very serious about the Mario Kart, so this lets me indulge that and also cater to my appreciation of artwork. So it's 33% off right now. It is the time to pick it up because that's amazing. And the deal really doesn't get better than that. This brown knit throw is also on deal. It looks like something you would get from an R House without the R House price, which is why I wanted to include it. So it does this faux fur blanket, you know, way better prices than the luxury brands. I love the luxury brands. My wallet does not love the luxury brands. So this is how I achieve the look for less. The Shark Wand Vac is also on deal. Best vacuum ever. It's like the type of vacuum you would use when you go get your car done. It has that level of quality, but it has like a lithium battery. So you just put it in the port, you charge it, and you're good to go. And it does come with a few attachments as well. But those are the best Black Friday Amazon deals. I know I was all over the place, but these deals are so good that I think someone made a typo. So if you want to pounce on them, now is the time. And I also have tons of other amazing deals on my Amazon storefront. So click the link in my description box to go check it out. I also have an Amazon designer inspired video coming up. If you've seen those Thaddeus mirrors and you want them, the ones from Restoration Hardware, I found something that looks similar. If you are looking for the most luxurious looking chandelier under $1,500, I found that. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that video. And I'm also doing an Amazon Christmas video very soon. And it's lit. You see what I did there because of all the lights. Love that. So anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video. And until next time, have a beautiful day.